if you want to switch it back, you just switch the tail fin, flip it over. That makes it go straight now. Who's jumping? There we go. All right, let's go. Yeah! Nice! Yeah, it was like 1.5 flips. Nah, it's alright.
My face went back.
You went face first. That's what I did when I had my sunglasses on.
Oh, and I had my makeup on.
Let's go, Lamiko!
Was I tucked and my legs come untucked?
No, you were tucked. You just over-rotated. You almost came around again.
That went sweet.
Yeah, I think if you wanted to, you could actually probably do 2 flips.
I hit my ankle funny though.
Yeah?
Yeah, it
I got injured, so. Where is she? Where is she?
That's the hard part, is getting out of there. She just rolls. That's the smart way to do it.
Hey, there she is. All right. Yeah! See, that's what the tail does.